Southerwind is made of yachts, people, crew. And Southerwind is made by very passionate people working a lot. Southerwind organizing these events, in my view, it's a must. It's the best way to transmit what we are passionate about, that is sailing.
And the experience so far has been really great. The other competitors are very welcoming.
We had great time. I think Southerwind people are making it really fantastic. The atmosphere and the time together is spectacular.
Social side of it, because you get to meet so many people, you get to understand things from the boats themselves, and we can bring it back on to ourselves. If we have problems, there's a support group, not just from the Southerwind administration, but also from the yacht crew. So it's amazing. So absolutely, I love it.
The soul of Southerwind, I think, is enjoying sailing together. I would say this is really what it is about, and that's what we are here for.
I love cruising. I love enjoying other people, meeting other people, other owners, other racers, and this is a wonderful atmosphere. It's very well organized. The atmosphere is friendly. People are not here to fight to death. They're here to enjoy, and that's the number one reason why we try and come as often as we can.
This is our third time here at the Rendezvous with Southerwind as part of the Armani Cup. They're a lot of fun. They're very well organized. It's a good opportunity to race in a friendly manner in between a group of friends.
Kind of a group of people, but it's more. It's a family with people that are helping one each other, that are contributing to the events by putting on the table their passion, their enthusiasm, their drive, and their push to enjoy.
Seriously and honestly, a Southerwind crew definitely offers something different and better than anybody else in this sailing world.